Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Let's discuss some of the current and static MCQs for the prelims 2020. First question, which of the following statements is or correct? First, infant mortality rate is the number of deaths of infants under the age 1 per 10,000 live births in the given year. Second, maternal mortality rate is the number of women who dies as a result of pregnancy and childbirth complications per 1 lakh live births in a given year. Third, neonatal mortality rate is the number of deaths of infants under 28 days of age in a given year per 1000 births in that year. Fourth, perinatal mortality rate is the number of fetal deaths after 28 weeks of pregnancy plus number of deaths of infants under 7 days of age per 1000 live births. Here we need to choose the correct statements. The first thing to note in this question is it is telling regarding the mortality rates. Usually the infant mortality rates will be calculated for 1000 live births and maternal mortality rate is for 1 lakh live births in the particular given year. With this clue, we can solve two statements. The first is, in the first statement, it is telling that it is for 10,000 live births. As it is for infants under the age of 1, this 10,000 live births will be wrong, as it will be calculated for 1000 live births. That is, infant mortality rate is the number of deaths of infants under the age 1 per 1000 live births in a given year. Here, next, the second statement, maternal mortality rate is the number of women who dies as a result of pregnancy and childbirth complication per 1 lakh live births. The second statement is correct. Next, third statement, it is telling about neonatal mortality rate. It is calculated for 28 days of age in a given year per 1000 live births. So the statement 3 is also correct. In the fourth statement, the perinatal mortality rate. In the perinatal mortality rate, here we will consider two things. The first is fetal deaths after 28 weeks of pregnancy. The second, the death of infants under 7 days of age for 1000 live births. So the statement 4 is also correct. Hence the answer is B, 2, 3 and 4. As I explained, infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate and also perinatal mortality rate. Here one more thing, it is the post neonatal mortality rate. The post neonatal mortality rate considers the death of infants of age 28 days to 1 year per 1000 live births. Next question. Arrange the following from north to south. First, Karakoram Pass. Second, Pangangso Lake. Third, Chazal. Fourth, Daulat Beg Oldie. Here, Karakoram Pass comes first, then Daulat Beg Oldie, then Pangangso Lake, then Chazal. So, here the sequence is 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. That is C. 1, 4, 2, 3. Here, Karakoram Pass comes first, then Daulat Beg Oldie. Here comes the Pangangso Lake, and the last is Chazal. Next question. Which of the following statements is or correct? First statement, Virginal Constitution provided for the establishment of Central Administrative Tribunal under Article 323A. Second statement, the tribunal will adjudicate the complaints regarding the conditions of service of public servants and also recruitment of posts associated with affairs of union territories. Here also we need to choose the correct statement. Actually, the Article 323 was not originally present in the Constitution. It was added by an amendment. So, the first statement is wrong. In the second statement, it is telling that the tribunal will adjudicate the complaints regarding the conditions of civil services of public servants and also the recruitment of posts associated with the affairs of union territories. The second statement is correct. So the option is B. Central Administrative Tribunal CAT. Original Constitution did not mention for the establishment of tribunals, but it was added through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. The CAT was established under Article 323 of Constitution. The tribunal will adjudicate the complaints regarding the conditions of services of public servants and also recruitment of posts associated with the affairs of union territories. The CAT has been done under Section 17 of the Administrative Tribunal Act of 1985. It does not cover the members of defense forces, officers and servants of Supreme Court and the Secretariat staff of Parliament. Here the important thing to remember is this: it does not cover the members of defense forces, officers and servants of Supreme Court and Secretariat staff of Parliament. Next question. India's first online waste exchange was launched in option A Maharashtra, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Telangana, option D Karnataka. Here the correct answer is option A Maharashtra. India's first online waste exchange was launched in Andhra Pradesh. It is the first online waste exchange program. The program was launched for the safe disposal of toxic waste and promote recycling and reuse of toxic waste. Here important thing is it is for the safe disposal of toxic waste and reuse of toxic waste. The online waste exchange program was launched on the occasion of World Environment Day. The platform is to track, audit, scrutinize the waste and encourage the proper utilization of the waste. Sorry. State of India's Environment 2020 report has released by first statement, it is the Center for Science and Environment CSE, B Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change, C UNEP, D none. Here the correct answer is A CSE. State of India's Environment Report. The Center for Science and Environment has released the State of India's Environment Report 2020. The CSE also publishes the environment magazine called Down to Earth. According to report, around 19 major events has claimed 1,357 lives in 2019. More than 50 lakh internal displacements have occurred in India in 2019 and this is the highest in the world according to the report. Here I have given some important news items which I could not cover in the questions but it may be asked in the prelims. Let's see one by one. First, Javed Akhtar has become the first Indian to receive the Richard Dworkin Award. Usually awards will not be asked by UPSC but This is for the first time it is given to the Indian, hence it will be important to us. It is Richard Dawkins Award. The Richard Dawkins Award is presented by the Atheist Alliance of America. It is an NGO. The awards are presented to those distinguished individuals that come from the world of scholarship, science, education, or environment and proclaim the values of rationalism, secularism, upholding the scientific truth. The second news item here is Indian naval ship Kesari reached the Port Victoria in Seychelles to provide the COVID-19 related medicines under Mission Sagar. This Mission Sagar was launched by Indian Navy to provide COVID-19 related essential medical medicines for the foreign countries. The third news item is Environment Performance Index. It is released by Yale University. It is the biannual Environment Performance Index. In the last index, that is in 2018, the India's rank was 177 and now it has rise to 168 for one out of 180 countries. These are the questions and few important news for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.